Good morning everyone, how are you today? I hope you are all well wherever you are. Okay, this morning we're going to do our core restore workout called Refine. Please come down here and join me on the mat and let's practice stretching our deep core muscles together. If you need to have a rest at any time, please do so. This workout is for you, so go at your own pace. If you need to have a rest or a stretch or a roll around whenever you need to, please do so. Okay, so let's begin in activating our transverse and pelvic floor together. Okay. Coming down onto the mat, our knees and feet are hip width apart and our neck and spine is nice and straight. Okay, let's take a big breath in and then breathe out. Gentle pelvic floor, gentle transverse, breathing in and breathing out. Gentle pelvic floor and transverse. So go at your own breathing cycle here. Place your hands on your body here, between your hip bones. You can feel that firmness of the transverse activating underneath your fingertips. Breathing through your rib cage. Want to check the rest of your abdominals are soft. Feet are relaxed, shoulders are relaxed. Very good. And release and relax. We're going to start off with our right toe slides and adductors. So here, lifting up that right heel, push the leg forwards, bring it back, drop the foot down flat and open up the knee towards the floor. So while we're doing this, we're trying to maintain hip stability, nice, smooth and controlled movements here. Avoid rocking from side to side. Okay, and relax that foot. Next side here, breathe in, breathe out, lift up that left heel, slide your foot forwards just to where you can go. Maybe you need to shorten the distance. You do what works for you. Flatten the foot before you drop the knee outside to the floor. Stay with that left side. Breathing nicely here. Drop the foot down so it's flat before you drop the knee out to the side. Good. And relax here. Next up is our glute bridge. So we need to do a pelvic tilt first. Hands are on the floor here. Push through your heels and lift your hips up. So this is a glute bridge pulse. We're staying here in our bridge and we're squeezing our butt cheeks together. Okay. So feel your bottom that it's nice and tight. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. If this glute bridge is too much, the pulse too much, just come back down to the floor, reset and come back up. Okay, so our glute bridge pulse is stronger than a normal glute bridge. Lift and relaxing back down. Okay, drop that bottom back down to the floor, relax and release. Let's roll over to our side. Come up and we're going to come into our prone hold. So we're on all fours, tuck that tailbone under and lean over your hands. Okay, so you're drawing up that transverse, drawing up in between those hip bones. Let's rest back here onto the heels and come back up here on all fours, pelvic tilt, lean over your hands. Spread your fingers, nice and strong through your arms. And resting back here towards your heels. Reset, come here, pelvic tilt, lean over your hands. You may be over your fists if on your hands is too much for your wrists. Rest back here onto your heels. Come back up, one more prone hold. Pelvic tilt. Breathing nicely here. So strong through those arms and across the shoulders. Rest back here. Alright, we've got dirty dog next. So this is your left side. Lift up that left knee and open up out to the side. So that knee is just hovering off the floor, and you're balancing here on those 3 limbs that are on the floor, keeping the pelvis nice and steady and your back nice and long. Breathing nicely here. Balancing nicely. And relax that side. Maybe you want to come back onto your heels. Okay, reset. Do a pelvic tilt. Lean over your hands. And let's lift that right knee off the floor. Dirty dog, right side. Only lifting up to where it's comfortable for that hip joint of yours. Stay strong here on those 3 limbs that are on the floor. Working really hard. Breathing nicely. Very good. Okay, rest back onto your heels, and we're going to come back down here onto our back. Okay, we're going to do our sliding abductors right. So knees and hips the same. Neck and spine straight. Okay, let's do that right side. Heel lifted. Slide that leg forwards. Bring the foot back. Drop the foot flat and open up with that knee towards the floor. Go at your own pace here, nice and steady. And we're trying to maintain nice and steady pelvis here without any tilting or rocking. Okay, rest here with that foot. Let's go to the other side, lifting up that heel. Slide forwards. Bring it back. Drop the heel down so the foot is flat. And then drop the knee out to the mat. Remember, you're going to go at your own pace here. Nice and steady. Super still with that pelvis. You're working really hard through that transverse. And rest here. Next up, we're going to do our windmills. So we're going to have our left hand towards our right knee. And we're going to draw up and out with our leg and our arm. Okay? So let's begin, and we're going to alternate. Let's go. Nice and steady. Change sides. So the arm is working in the opposite direction to the other leg. And we're always alternating. So we're crossing that midline. So I've got a brain gym here for you. Now with your arms, if you cannot go above your head, just go straight in front of you. You just go where you can go. That's comfortable for those shoulder joints. Okay. Nice and steady. Breathe through it. Nice and smooth. I'm breathing out as I reach up with my arm and forwards with my leg. Good work. And rest here. Next up, we're going to do our clamshell. So we're going to roll over to our side, and we're going to stack our hips on top of each other. Tuck your heels just in line with your bottom, and we're going to open up that knee. Okay, so we're going to have our hips stacked nice and steady here. Try not to open up the hips too much. It's only a little movement. You might be resting your hand in your head in your hand here, or you might be laying down here on the floor. So you do what works for you. Keep your feet glued together. Last one here. Good job. Okay, let's switch to the other side. So maybe you want to roll over to the other side, or you can come up and change sides here. Okay, resting here. Tuck those feet in behind your bottom, and the top knee opens up, and joining that leg that's resting on the floor. Make sure that your feet are glued together. Open up and close. Beautiful. Go nice and slow.
Oh, hello.
That's it. Almost there. 2, 1, and done. Good job. Okay, next up here is we're going to do our glute bridge. So down here on your back, feet and knee hip width apart, pelvic tilt, push through your heels, squeeze your bottom. Good. So the glute bridge pulses. Remember, if you need to just rest, that's fine, or you need to come back down to the floor and come back into your bridge, that's perfectly fine too. Squeeze your bottom here. Good. And resting back down to the floor with those hips. Next up here is our windmill toe slide. So we're going for right hand touching the left knee, stretching it out, bringing it in and changing sides. Okay, so we're doing that brain gym again, opposite arm to the knee. We had a little bit of a video bomb from my dog. That's Pippi. Beautiful. Go at your own pace here, okay? Once again, if you can't go overhead with your arm, that's fine. You just go straight in front, okay? Focus on that breathing. Nice and slow. Great job. And rest here. Now I'd like you to come up, rolling up, and we're going to come up off the floor and we're going to do our rainbow pickup. Okay, so I'm going to get you to come up and standing up off the floor, and I'm just going to push you back a little bit so you can see me. So here we are going to be standing up and we're going to be picking up something off the floor. Okay, so our feet and knees and ankles are hip width apart, nicely stacked. So we're going to bend our knees as if we're going to pick something up off the floor, take it up over our head and place it back down onto the floor and reset here, okay? Here we go. Other side, picking it up. If you cannot go all the way down to the floor, just go to the outside of your knees. And rest here. Okay, we're going to have a little bit of a stretch here. So wave your arms around your body, a little bit of a twist, relax here. Very good. Next up, we're going to be doing our high knees. Okay, so with our high knees, we're going to be here, feet are hip width apart. Bring your hands in front of you and let's draw up those knees. Okay? So marching on the spot and be nice and tall through your spine. Let's see if we can bring those knees up to hip height. But if you cannot, that's okay. You go where you can go. Good job. Breathing nicely, being up nice and tall. That's it. Alright, we're almost there, halfway here. Good job. Nice and strong through your core. Nice and tall through that whole body of yours. Breathing here nicely. Good job. Keep going here. We've got 10 seconds left here. Beautiful. 3, 2, 1, and we're done. Okay, so we're going to come back down onto the floor and we're going to do our prone hold. So stacking those knees and hips above each other, shoulders over your hands or your fists. Okay.
Just grab his trainers.
We're going to pelvic tilt here and lean over your hands.
Come on, Marlo.
Nice and strong. Okay, rest here onto your heels and then come back up. Here we go. Pelvic tilt, lean over your hands. Stay strong through your shoulders, through your arms, have your fingers spread. Okay, rest back here and let's come back in. Pelvic tilt, Lean over your hands.
Okay.
Good
Grab
job.
the trainers and grab the trainers. Don't look in front of me. Then I'll go this side. Okay, here, grab the trainers.
Rest back here. Come back up. Pelvic tilt. Lean over your hands. Good job. Stay here. Keep that transverse abdominal nice and strong. Good work. Rest here. Okay, next up here is our dirty dog. We're going to start with that right side. So we're in that prone hold position. Lift up that right knee. Open it out to the side. Nice and slow. See if that weight is evenly distributed through those 3 limbs on the floor. Beautiful work. Keep those fingers spread. Breathing nicely. Still smiling. Okay, rest back here. Last one here with the dirty dogs. Okay, left side. Tuck that tailbone under. Lean over your hands. Let's lift up that knee. Remember, we're just lifting up that knee just to where you can go. This is a progression from our prone hold. So you guys are advancing here. It's good. Nice and slow. I mean, nice and steady through those hips. Good. Rest here. Alright, so next up we're going to come back laying down on our back, and our knee and hips are hip width apart. Knees and feet hip width apart, okay? So here we are. We're going to do our toe slides and adductor right. So here we're going to lift up that right heel, slide it forwards, bring it back, drop that foot down and open out that knee. Great job. Use that breath of yours. Have your hands on your tummy and between your hip bones so you can feel that transverse abdominal muscles working here. Flatten the foot before you open the knee. Good job. Relax here before we go to the other side. Okay, lifting up that other heel. Let's slide that foot forwards. Bring it back. Drop the foot down here so it's flat. Open that knee out. Good. Are we working super hard and trying to keep those hips nice and steady without any rocking from side to side? Your transverse has to work super hard here. Beautiful. Okay, last one coming up. Let's roll over to our side. Let's come back up standing, and we're going to finish off with our high knees, but this time we're going to do 2 high knees before we switch sides. Okay, here we go. So nicely stacked here. We go 1, 2, 1, 2 onto the other side. Okay, so double time with that knee lift. Good. I cheated there and I had my foot up in the air. No cheating. Okay, stay nice and tall. You're doing really well. We're almost there. Breathing nicely. Keep that body nicely stacked on top of each other there with those limbs and joints. Beautiful. Almost there. Great work. Remember, at your own pace, at your own height. Good work. Woohoo! 3, 2, 1, and we're done. Great work, everyone. Roll those shoulders back. I hope you enjoyed that workout this morning. I'm sorry for all the interruptions here. We had my dog video bomb us. Had my husband come in with our son to pick up his trainers. It's all happening today. Alright, so well done. Continue to relax and enjoy some more stretches that you like doing. And I hope you enjoyed that workout this morning. A little bit different to what we were doing before this week. Okay, have fun with that exercise routine and look forward to seeing you next week. Bye.